the local government election, of course, would ultimately restore democratic governance, at the local level. And of course, tell us what this will mean for Rivers people. Of course, the state of emergency would lapse by September. So what does this mean for Rivers people?
And that is why we have to thank Mr. President for taking the first step to make sure that this election is conducted. First of all, if election is not conducted, you know that Supreme Court has said there's nothing like caretaker committees in local government. And if there are no elected people, it means that funds will not come from the federation account to local government councils. And that means that if the emergency rule is lifted as a local government election, we'll still have the same problem. And now that local government election is taking place, it means that the elected people, and then they will get funds directly for the federation account. So everybody was carrying out to support the conduct of this particular election in order to stabilize the grassroots level. By the time the state of emergency is lifted on the 18th of September, it means that the governor and the state assembly will go clash. So without local government, it will not have been complete. So we are very glad that today we are conducting this election, and by the end of the day, elected people will emerge and they will be sworn in, and then we will know that we have elected representatives at the grassroots level.